burned by the choices I made. Thought I'd never feel right again, buried deep in my shame. But you found me in silence, when the noise had all died down. You lit a match in my spirit, now I can't keep it out.
It started small, just a whisper in the dark, and now it's blazing like a million stars.
Your love will spread like wildfire, burning through the fear and the lies. Your grace ignites revival, setting every soul on fire. What you started in me is lighting up the sky. Your love will spread like wildfire, from the prisons to the pulpits, from the corners to the crowds. You're turning graves into gardens, you're shaking heaven down. Chains are falling like timber, hearts are catching flame. Every tongue and every nation gonna know your name.
What started small is rising like the sun, from every crack your glory's gonna run.
Your love will spread like wildfire, burning through the fear and the lies. Your grace is loud like thunder, calling dead hearts back to life. From the ashes we sing, we're the sparks that you ignite. Your love will spread like wildfire. Light it up, light it up, let it burn. Every heart, every home, let it turn. From the ground to the sky, let it rise. Jesus set this world on fire.
Your love will spread like wildfire. We won't hold it, we won't hide. Your grace consumes the shadows, now your fire's alive inside.
From the broken to free, let your spirit flood this night. Your love will spread like wildfire. We won't hold it, we won't hide. Your grace consumes the shadows, now your fire's alive inside. From the broken to free, let your spirit flood this night. Your love will spread like wildfire. Oh, your love will spread like wildfire. Let it burn. Your love will spread like wildfire.